Hi guys, so far we have covered introduction to sets and all questions related to introduction. In today's lesson, I'll be starting with Venn diagram and its shading. So let's begin. First of all, let's recall what's union? All elements of A and all elements of B. The elements which are repeated will only be written once. And what's intersection? Common elements in both set A and set B. How will you shade A union B? Guys, what's written first here? A. So the first step in case of union is shade A. Shade entire A. Don't think that it's covering part of B. Just ignore that thing. It says A, shade A, and it's done. After union, what's written, guys? B. Just shade entire B. Ignore that thing that it's covering part of A. Just shade entire B. So everything that has been shaded so far is part of A union B, right? How will you shade A intersection B? What's intersection? Common elements in both sides, which means I'm going to shade this part. Do you get till this point? But guys, this was the easy case of intersection. But you're going to see questions where difficult cases are involved. In that case, I prefer using this trick. So let me teach you. So here we go. Okay, now I have to shade A intersection B. What's the trick? Okay, what's written before intersection A? So in A, write any letters. So A has two parts, this part and this part. So I wrote letters in it. After intersection, what's written, guys? B. So all areas that include B, write numbers. Guys, in which area there are numbers and letters both? You can see this area. That means this will be shaded and you're going to erase these two. So what's the concept? In case of intersection, in the first part, write letters. In the second part, write numbers. Area that has number and letters both. Shade that area and erase all other numbers and letters. This is the easiest trick to do intersection की shading. Got it, guys? Let's proceed to few practice questions. So let's begin. It says A complement intersection. What does complement mean? Everything other than A. So let me write down numbers, letters there. A, B, C, D, and E. I wrote letters in the area outside A. Then it says intersection B. So write down numbers in the area which is B, where there are both letters and numbers. This part. So you're going to shade this and you're going to erase the rest. Do you get the idea, bache, how to shade? Now let's do this one. It's union. So what's written before union? P. Just shade entire P. Got this? So I'm done. Then it says union Q complement. What does Q complement mean? Everything other than Q. So just shade everything other than Q as well. So everything that's shaded is my answer. Do you get this? The blue part also, the green part also. So union is very simple. What's written first? Just shade that. What's written after union? Just shade that. In case of intersection, in one part, write letters. In the second part, write numbers. And the area which include numbers and letters in the end, that's your answer. Let's practice more questions and you'll get it. Now it says B complement intersection A. What does B complement mean? Everything other than B. So it's going to be this area. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Got this? Then it says intersection A. So write down numbers in entire A, right? So guys, which area contain numbers and letter both? This one. Do you get this? And rest you're going to erase. Do you get the idea of how to do shading involving intersection? Now it says P union Q. What does P union Q means? Entire P, entire Q. And there is intersection involved in a question. Okay. So in entire P and Q, let's write letters. Do you get this? Then it says intersection R complement. So everything other than R, write numbers. Do you get this? So what's the area where number and letters are involved? This one. This is the best trick to do the shading question. And you're going to erase the rest. You get the idea, guys. Now let's practice more. Guys, whenever you are given with a question in which there are no bracket, so you have the choice where to make bracket. Let's add bracket here. What does P intersection Q means? Directly if I do, that means common area between P and Q. So I wrote letters in the area P intersection Q. Then it says R complement. So I'm going to write down numbers in the area other than R. So what area has numbers and letters both? This one. And you're going to erase the rest. Do you get till this point? Let's practice more. P union Q complement. What does this mean? Everything other than P and Q. So I wrote letters in that area. Intersection R. So I wrote numbers in R. Guys, what's the area with numbers and letters? This one. And you're going to erase this. It's not difficult. When it's union, shade everything. Intersection, do the first part with letters, second part with numbers, and the area which has numbers and letters both, that's the answer. As simple as this. Let's practice more. A union B. What does A union B means? A, B, C, D, E, F. Intersection C. What does C means? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the part of C. That means this area will be shaded. Do you get this? And you're going to erase these. Got the idea? How will you shade? With the pencil. Now let's proceed to the next one. It says A intersection B complement. Okay, what area will it be? A means this one. A, B, C, D. B complement means everything other than B. So let me write down numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So guys, what's the area where there are numbers and letters? This one? Yes or no? So I'm going to shade this. Yes or no? And you're going to erase the rest. Did you get the idea, bache? So which part is done? A intersection, we complement this then. Now, if I see in the question, what sign does it has in the middle? It's union. So how will you shade in union? What's written next C? So just shade entire C. यूनियन में हम क्या करते गाइस, जो पहले लिखा है शेड दैट, एंड देन जो बाद में लिखा है शेड दैट, एंड यू आर डन. वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन एंड वी आर गुड टू गो. A intersection B. What does that mean? This part and this part. Achha, we don't need to use letter here. We can do it directly. See, if it says A intersection B, that means this area. Yes or no? And if it says union C, union means if this part is done, what's written after union C? Just shade entire C. Got this, guys? So, in short, what did we learn? If it's union, just shade the first thing and the second thing. If it's intersection, write letters in the first one, numbers in the second one. The area which has numbers and letters both, that's your answer. So we're going to end at this point, and in the next video, I'm going to talk about backward shading concept. Till then, take care guys. Allah Hafiz.